in a project that has three main features: smart home system, glamorous sea view, and hotel service flats. Four-window project is one of the highest luxury projects in the Asian side of Istanbul, and this is our destination. This is Mohammed again, and let's get started. We are in Göztepe, specifically in Baghdad Street, which is considered as the most modern area in the Asian side of Istanbul. Our project is near the transportation that connects it with the whole city. The location is near many educational, medical, and shopping centers too. The view here is Marmara Sea, and also we have wide green areas that makes you feel you live in nature. We are in the 13th floor, where our sample flat is. Let's discover it together. Starting here with the key, fingerprint. On the left we have the bathroom, and here we have the kitchen. Starting with the stove and the fridge, have a look with me. And here we have the oven. Here we have the dishwasher. They are all delivered with the flat. And we are in the lounge. It's almost 23 square meters. The whole flat is around 107. This is the net. Since we are in the high floor, windows are opened limited only. Let's discover the other rooms. We are in the first room, which is suitable to be children's room. It's around 12 square meters. Here is the master room, which is around 16 square meters. And we have also the master bathroom. Going to the bathroom, we have the closets over here. The bathroom is 3.5 meters. The land area is 44,000 square meters. The green area is around 40,000 square meters, which means that we have almost 50% of the place green areas. Regarding the project, we have 4 residential blocks consisting of 520 apartments, styles 1+1 until 4+1. The project itself is only 9 kilometers away from the famous Bosphorus Bridge, 600 meters away from the Marmaray metro station, 600 meters away from Yeditepe Hospital, and only 1 kilometer away from the beach. Four Windows project offers reception service, meeting room, indoor and outdoor swimming pool, private kids pool, and a sports center. Even if you think of buying in the European side of Istanbul, believe me, you will have to come and see Four Windows project, where the luxury and the calm lifestyle exist. For further information, kindly contact us on this number or visit our website imtilak.net. Have a good day.